In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Android phone cannot receive text messages from iPhone only. So the most common reason why this might happen is if you have recently switched from an iPhone and you haven't disabled iMessages feature for your particular mobile number. So to fix this, open a web browser on your phone and then search for deregister iMessage. Now tap on the first link from Apple itself. Now on this page you will be getting a couple of options. So if you already have access to your iPhone, what you can do is go to this particular setting and then turn off iMessages from there. Also disable FaceTime as well. However, if you no longer have the iPhone, another thing you can do is simply enter your phone number there. Now enter the captcha and Apple will send you a verification code on your phone number. You simply have to enter the verification code and the iMessage feature will be turned off for your particular phone number. After that, you should be able to receive text messages on your Android phone as usual. However, if this doesn't work, what you can do is go to Google Messages app settings. Now here tap on RCS chats and make sure you have enabled this feature, that is turn on RCS chats. If you haven't enabled this, you might not receive text messages from specific people using iPhone. So make sure to enable this. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. Now here tap on this reset option and then select reset mobile network settings and finally hit reset settings to confirm. After that, your issue should be resolved.